Hello, my name is Minvidas. I'm from Energy Advice, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a photovoltaic system to a commercial power grid. Let's get started by choosing the parameters of our solar power plant situated in the low voltage side. As you can see, I have connected two solar power plants, which power is 450 kilowatts and 500 kilowatts. In the General tab section, we can see the main parameters of our solar power plant. These parameters are real power, reactive power, power factor, and at what percentage our solar power plant is loaded. The second tab, time dependencies, depicts how much electrical energy our solar power plant generates in a specific time period. These time periods could be a day, a month, or a year. The fourth tab, configure, shows harmonics. As you may know, solar power plants use inverters, and inverters generate harmonics. By inputting these percentages, we can get more accurate calculations. When you're done choosing the parameters of your solar power plant, it is necessary to make calculations to check if the solar power plant is installed correctly. The first calculations that are needed are power flows. These calculations shows how much current flows through your wire, the load losses, and what voltage drop percentages are at the bus bars. If you want to have an overview of your whole grid, you can choose the color results, choose element load flow results, and voltage drop by percentages. This gives you a much wider view of your whole grid. As we can see, some of the power lines have a 1.5 and to 1.8 voltage drop percentage, but these percentages are perfectly normal in the power grid. Short circuit analysis should also be taken into account when selecting proper protection devices for your solar power plant. To calculate these short circuits, we can choose from a variety of 3-phase, 2-phase, and 1-phase. When calculating the short circuit in the given table, we can choose where our short circuit originated in, and we can choose the minimum and maximum short circuit. Also, the given data of your phase calculations is shown. Now I'm going to select the 13 bus bar and change the parameters. As we can see, changing from minimum to maximum changes. Although, if you want to calculate the short circuits at a specific bus bar, you can choose it in the toolbar and press on the bus bar. And as you can see, the data is the same as in the table. Lastly, I'm going to talk about harmonics. Harmonics are generated by non-linear loads. This type of load is an inverter in your solar power plant. Harmonics cause a lot of troubles in the power grid. That is why we compensate them using passive or active filters. Additionally, harmonics generate currents that make up additional losses in your power lines and could overload your transformer. To calculate these harmonics, we simply go to Calculate, press the harmonic flow. When the calculations are done, when you hover over an object, you can see the calculations of the harmonics on the specific object. As we can see in these results, all the harmonics don't go above the green line, and that is up to standards. Additionally, the calculations show what percent are the harmonic voltages. Thank you for listening, and I hope this was informative.